Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and welcome everybody to Warsak Engineering and Survey. Today I am going to discuss about proof of one bag of cement is 1.25 cubic feet. We know that the volume of one bag of cement is equal to 1.25 cubic feet. Today I will try to prove it. Before starting video, please subscribe my channel Warsak Engineering and Survey and follow me on Facebook page Construction Industry. Let's start. We know that density of cement is equal to 1440 kg per meter cube. It means that for 1 meter cube cement required is 1440 kg. We also know that one bag of cement consists of 50 kg. First of all, we will find how many bags required for 1 meter cube. It means that we know 1 meter cube cement requirement is 1440 kg. We will convert this 1440 kg to number of bags. For this purpose, we will write here the formula. For 1 meter cube cement bag requirement is 1440 divided by 50. We will get 28.8 bags. Why we divide 50? Because 50 kilogram is in one bag, therefore we divide here by 50 and we get number of bags. It means that 1 meter cube is equal to 28.8 bags. And we also know that 1 meter cube is equal to 35.32 cubic feet. We know that 1 meter is equal to 3.281 feet. When we take cube on both sides, we will get 1 meter cube is equal to 35.32 cubic feet. Actually, we will discuss this conversion in next lecture with detail. Here we will write 28.8 bags because 1 meter cube is equal to 28.8 bags and 35.32 cube is equal to this. Now we will divide both sides by 28.8 bags. We will get here 1 bag is equal to 1.226 cubic feet. 35.32 divided by 28.8, we will get 1.226 cubic feet. This is the proof of 1 bag of cement volume is equal to 1.22. I hope you have understood it. If you have any question, please comment. Subscribe my channel and follow me. Thanks for watching.